Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system. Once your phone is paired to the system, if we go to your music, it will play any audio from your phone so long as it's set up right. So there we go. I'll just turn that down, it's playing. If you look at the bottom there, you've got two choices, iPhone and Peugeot. That shows that whatever audio is playing on here, if you have that set right, it will play through this system. So tick next to there, we'll go back there, it's playing over to the system, and you'll see there the music note. Click on the music note. That's showing the radio at the moment, but and it's also showing their source, DAB radio. It's a bit confusing. When you first look at it, you don't really know what to do, but if you click there on the source, it then gives you the options to change it to FM radio, AM radio, or Bluetooth, which is what we want. That's it. That's what's going to be playing now. If I turn this up and then turn it up here. So that's how you stream audio.